As a cinematographer or a video editor, you will have to take many decisions, such as your camera placement, how far you need to record from your subject, the type of shot, and many more. When there is any communication between people, the distance between the camera and the subject determines if there will be a dramatic impact. While shooting films, 6 types of shots are used. From these, the first one is extreme long shot, also known as extreme wide shot. The next one is long shot, also known as wide shot, followed by medium shot, medium close-up shot, and extreme close-up shot. First, let's begin with extreme long shot. In this, the camera is set at a large distance from the subject and the entire location is covered, which allows the audience to get an idea about the whole location. After that, there's long shot. Here, the camera is slightly closer to the subject and the background is part of the shot. However, the background isn't as important. The shot of the subject covers them from head to toe and their movement is important. Say, a walking scene or an action shot where the subject and the surrounding environment's information is covered. Then there's medium shot, where the coverage is from the knees or waist to the head. Here, the character's body language is important, while the background becomes even less important. If you want to show a conversation, you can use this shot. Next, there's medium close-up shot. A medium close-up shot involves coverage above the shoulders or chest. If you want to show the reaction or emotional payoff of a subject in a story, you can use this shot because it is ideal for portraying a reaction. After that, we have close-up shot. Here, the background is completely removed and the face is covered at a close distance on the screen. In this, the subject's emotion or the face's expression like happy, serious, sad, and so on are covered. For this, you will have to use a close-up shot. Finally, we have extreme close-up shot. The face of the subject achieves full frame coverage in this shot. If you have to show slight movements or expressions of the face, or if you have to show a moment of tension, you can use an extreme close-up shot. Typically, if you want to show an exact part to the audience, say lips, nose, tears, etc., then you'll have to use an extreme close-up shot. These are a few shot types which are used in cinematography. So friends, thanks for watching this. I'll see you in the next one.